Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Quality English Tutor podcast. I am your host, Alex, and I have so much energy today, I feel like I could run to the moon and back.
To the moon? Slow down, Alex. I am Sarah, and I think we should stay on Earth for now. Our listeners need us here. But you do look very happy today. Is there a secret?
A secret? Maybe. I am excited because we are at the start of 2026. A new year, Sarah. It's like a fresh white piece of paper. You can write anything you want on it.
I love that feeling. A new year is a fresh start, a new beginning. But Alex, many people make plans in January, and then by February, they are back on the sofa eating potato chips and forgetting their goals.
Hey, I like potato chips. But you are right, especially with English. People say, this year I will be fluent, and then life gets busy. But not this time, not in 2026.
No, this year is going to be different for our Quality English Tutor family. We have a master plan for you. It's not a magic trick, it's real, solid advice to make sure you succeed this time.
Exactly. But before we reveal the big plan, we need a small favor. If you want to support us, please hit that like button right now. It helps us reach more learners around the world.
And please subscribe. Join Alex and me every week. Think of us as your personal English coaches. And hey, share this video with a friend. Learning is much more fun when you have a partner to complain with.
All right, is everyone ready for 2026? Let's dive into the truth about learning English. So, Sarah, let's be honest. Is learning English easy? If I drink a special English tea, will I wake up speaking like Shakespeare?
I wish, but no. Let's tell our listeners the truth. To learn English in 2026, you must work. It is a journey, not a 5-minute walk.
The truth. I like that. You cannot learn English if you only dream about it while you are sleeping. Trust me, I have tried sleeping with an English book under my pillow. It only gave me neck pain.
Poor Alex. Friends, the word of the year is dedication. It means making English a priority. It means when you are tired, you still say, I will spend a little time with my English today.
But wait, Sarah, when I say work hard, some people think they need to study for 10 hours a day. They think they need to lock themselves in a room with 5 big grammar books.
Oh no, please don't do that. If you study for 10 hours today, you will hate English tomorrow. You will be so tired that you will want to throw your books in the bin. We don't want you to stop. We want you to continue.
So what is the secret if it's not 10 hours? What is it?
It's about every single day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, even Sunday. It's better to study for 20 minutes every day than to study for 5 hours only on Sunday.
It's like eating, right? You can't eat 20 pizzas on Sunday and then eat nothing for the rest of the week. Your stomach and your brain will be miserable.
Exactly. Your brain is hungry for English. You need to feed it a little bit every morning or every evening. Consistency is the key that unlocks fluency.
Okay, so we are feeding our brains 20 or 30 minutes every day. But what are we feeding it? Potato chips?
No. The first dish on the menu is listening. Listening is the most important skill for beginners.
I agree. You need to let the English sounds go into your ears like water. Listen to this podcast, listen to English stories, and even listen to English music while you are in the shower.
But Alex, some people just listen and don't do anything else. Is listening enough to become a boss at English?
Good question. Listening is great, but you need to be active. You need to participate. My favorite tip? Talk to yourself.
Oh, Alex talks to himself all the time. Sometimes I find him in the kitchen talking to a toaster.
Hey, the toaster is a very good listener. But seriously, don't just think the words in your head. Say them out loud. Use your voice. If you hear a new word like dedication, don't just look at it. Say it. Shout it.
Maybe don't shout it if you are on a bus. People might think you are a bit crazy. But in your room, yes. Speaking out loud helps your mouth muscles. It's like exercise for your tongue.
And speaking of exercise, Sarah, I know you have a very special notebook tip for 2026.
Yes, everyone needs a success notebook, a special, beautiful notebook just for English. In 2026, I want you to write down 5 new words every day. Just 5.
Only 5? That sounds too easy.
Wait, Alex, let's do the math. 5 words a day times 365 days, that is 1,825 words. With 1,800 words, you can understand almost any basic conversation. Small steps lead to big results.
Okay, so we are working hard, we are listening, we are writing in our notebooks. But Sarah, what if I feel like a robot? I must learn English. Beep, boop.
Alex, you are definitely not a robot, and our listeners aren't either. This is very important. Rest is part of learning.
This is a big one. Some people feel guilty if they take a break. They think, oh no, I'm wasting time.
No, you are not wasting time. Your brain needs sleep to save the new words you learned. If you don't sleep, your brain is like a computer that you never turn off. Eventually, it will crash.
I know that feeling. When I'm stressed or tired, I forget the word for apple. I just point at it and say, red, round thing.
Exactly. In 2026, take care of yourself. Spend time with your family. Go for a walk. If you are happy and relaxed, your brain opens up. If you are stressed, your brain closes like a locked door.
So the plan is, work hard for 30 minutes, but then go and enjoy your life. Balance is the secret sauce. Now, Sarah, let's talk about the danger zone. Everyone is excited in January. Happy New Year! I love English!
Yes, but then comes March. It's raining, it's cold, you have a lot of work, and suddenly you don't want to look at your notebook.
This is where most people stop. This is the biggest challenge of the whole year. How do we keep going when the motivation disappears?
You have to remember your why. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in December 2026. You are at an airport or in a meeting or watching a movie without subtitles. You understand everything. You feel proud.
That is a powerful image. You have to want that feeling more than you want to be lazy. You have to be brave.
Brave to learn English?
Yes, learning a language is brave because you will make mistakes. And some people hate mistakes. They feel embarrassed.
Friends, please hear us. Make many mistakes in 2026. If you say a word wrong, laugh. It means you're trying. If you don't make mistakes, you are not learning.
Exactly. Don't let a small mistake stop your whole journey. If you miss one day, don't worry. Just come back the next day. The door to English is always open.
Wow, Sarah, I feel so motivated now. I want to go and learn a new language myself.
One at a time, Alex. Let's summarize our 2026 plan for our quality English tutor family.
Rule number 1, daily contact. 20 to 30 minutes every day. No excuses. Listen to us, listen to music, just keep English near you.
Rule number 2, be active. Use your voice. Talk to yourself. Use your notebook. 5 words a day. That's it.
Rule number 3, be human. Sleep well, relax, have fun. A happy brain is a learning brain.
And rule number 4, never give up. Be brave. Make mistakes. If you fall, get up and keep walking towards December 2026.
I really believe in every single person listening right now. 2026 is your year. The time will pass anyway. You can spend it getting better, or you can spend it staying the same. Which one do you choose?
I think they choose to be amazing. We will be here with you every week to help. We are your study partners.
All right, now it's your turn. We want to hear your plan.
Yes, go to the comments right now and make a promise to yourself. Write one thing you will do every day. I will write 5 words, or I will listen to Alex and Sarah.
Writing it down makes it real. And if this episode gave you a boost of energy, please give us a like and subscribe.
Don't miss any episodes this year. You need them for your daily 20-minute study.
Share this with a friend who needs a fresh start. You can study together and check each other's notebooks.
Thank you so much for listening. We are cheering for you. We believe in you.
Have a wonderful, productive, and happy week. Let's make 2026 the best year ever.
Keep practicing, stay brave, and bye-bye for now.
See you in the next episode. Bye.
Music fades out.